the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today, we're going to be making chicken pot pie soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 6 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth, 2/3 cup of heavy cream, smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning of your choice, 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm also using 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a stick of butter. I have 2 chicken breasts that are already cooked and cut into cubes. Also 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 cup of frozen peas, 2 to 3 carrots, 2 to 3 celery stalks. Also 1 onion diced. And we're going to be using 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 pound of potatoes. Okay, in a heated pot, I'm going to add my half a stick of butter. And we're going to allow that to melt. Once melted, over medium heat, you want to add in your onions, your carrots, and also your celery. And we're going to allow that to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can add in your Italian seasoning, your garlic and herb seasoning, your garlic powder, and also the chicken bouillon powder. And you want to mix until well combined. Now you can sprinkle in some smoked paprika for color and also some red pepper flakes. Remember, that's optional. And mix until well combined. Now we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. You're just going to mix until you make a roux. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. Mix it very well. Okay guys, now you can add in your 6 cups of chicken broth. And you want to bring that to a boil. Now all you want to do is mix well. Turn your heat up some so you can bring it to a boil. Also at this time guys, you can add in your all-purpose seasoning and your ground black pepper. And you can go ahead and mix it. And at this time, make sure you taste it, that all the seasonings are to your liking. So if you need to add anything else, you can do it now. Once it comes to a boil, you can add your heavy cream in, your chicken, and also your potatoes. And you're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, now you can add in your peas and also your corn. And you want to mix until well combined. Okay guys, now you want to lower your heat. We're going to place our lid on the top and we're going to let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken pot pie soup is now done. Okay guys, so here is our chicken pot pie soup. I chopped some fresh parsley. I'm just going to put a little bit over top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.